Hey everyone, with this video I'll show you how you can download the Google Play Store on your PC. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so here you cannot actually download it because you can have it on the Google Workspace. So just open up the Google Chrome and then you can see here the 9 dots, which actually is the Google Workspace, and just click on that and you can see here the play icon, and that's actually the Google Play Store. So you can just actually create a shortcut for it to easily access it. And to do that, you just have to click on the 3 dots on the top right, and then you can select the more tools, and under that you can just select the create a shortcut, and then here you can rename it as you want, and then you can check that open at Windows so that you can easily navigate it. And then you can exit this one, and here it is. You can actually tap on it, and then now you can browse the application that you want to install on your PC. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next videos. Bye!